Namaste, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a common misconception many aspiring photographers in India have that DSLR cameras are too complicated for beginners. Myth: DSLRs are too complex for beginners. Reality: DSLRs offer a world of creative possibilities, but they can be as simple or as complex as you desire. Let's break it down. First and foremost, DSLRs come with automatic modes, like Auto, Portrait, and Landscape. These modes make it incredibly easy for beginners to take stunning photos with just a point and shoot. These automatic modes handle all the settings for you, so you don't need to worry about f-stops, shutter speeds, or ISO settings. However, if you want to take your photography to the next level, DSLRs allow you to control everything manually. You can adjust settings to get that perfect shot, whether it's capturing beautiful portraits, breathtaking landscapes, or low-light scenes. With a little practice and learning, you can master the art of DSLR photography, and you'll be amazed at the results. Another myth we need to debunk is that kit lenses, the ones that come with your DSLR, are of low quality. In reality, kit lenses can produce impressive photos. They're versatile and perfect for beginners to learn the ropes without breaking the bank. And as you grow, you can invest in more advanced lenses. So, don't be intimidated by DSLRs. They are versatile tools that can cater to photographers of all skill levels. Start with the automatic modes, practice, and slowly venture into manual settings as you become more confident. Remember, photography is an art, and it's all about your vision. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, DSLRs can help you capture the beauty of the world in your unique way. So, pick up your camera, go out there, and start creating magic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and happy clicking.